I do love it when you share. It shows that you care. Friends lists, home addresses, the names of family pets. I'll take it all. Eventually, I could have a full picture of you. I might even become you. Here's Diane. I bought her name and phone number a while ago. I do love a data breach. I just need the right bait. Oh, she's good. She doesn't share much, but her only daughter does. And she loves to show off her travel adventures. I wonder. Hi, Mum. We've been robbed.
My phone was taken. Please text me on this number.
Oh no. Are you okay? Where are you? Kiss.
We have a winner. We're still in Thailand. They took our money and bank cards too.
We are talking to the police now.
Do you need me to send you money?
Oh, it shouldn't be this easy. I'm waiting for the people who don't pause, check, protect. Could this be you?